arrest of Mehul Choksi in Belgium is very, very important and significant. First thing, it indicates the efforts of the government of India. Secondly, the efforts of the agencies, that is the Central Bureau of Investigation and the Enforcement Directorate. See, when the extradition request is sent to another country, there are two processes. So first process is the executive cum political process, and second process is judicial process. His arrest indicates that in the political and executive of Belgium, they have accepted that the extradition request of the India should be processed in that country. And that's a major step, I should say. And it's a significant step because if the people who have frauded banks to the very high value, Mehul Choksi's amount was around 6,000 crore rupees. So it's a very high value. If such people are put to trial, convicted, it will certainly deter other people and make the image of the investigating agencies also that the people can be brought to the law. The evidences are sufficient. Evidences about the concealment of the information, evidences of the corruption, the evidences of the cheating to the bank, the evidences of the money laundering, they are all available. They are sufficient evidences. And I am sure that when the trial will start, it should go in the favor of the investigating agencies. For Nirav Modi, the extradition process is very advanced stage in United Kingdom, and I hope he will come shortly. Here also, Mehul Choksi has been arrested now. The process of extradition will start in the court process, I should say. And I hope that the process is fast enough to bring him back as soon as possible. But if I talk about terrorism, terrorism is every country accepts that the terrorists should not be spared. And it is a crime in almost all the countries in the world. Again, but the process in Tehran also, it has taken a long period because it is a process of that country where the person can defend himself till the highest court of that country. Now, when we talk of economic offenses, they take various grounds. Grounds like the crime has not taken place. It was not a fraud, but it was a failure of the business, something like that. Or my health is not okay, but health issue is taken in other cases also. Or Indian jails are like in Vijay Mallya case. He raised the issue that Indian jails are not proper. But then we sent the documents to prove that Indian jails are as good as any other jail. And ultimately, as far as the judicial process is concerned, the highest court of UK has said that Vijay Mallya should be extradited.